Is this corded and cordless light perfect for backyards and blackouts? This is a simple and fast review of the SYLSTAR hybrid LED work light with tripod. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so first things first, when you get it out of the other box, it actually shipped it from Amazon, so it comes in a different box. So sometimes I'm not sure when they have the double names. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, so it comes with instructions once you get it out of the box, and it literally comes bagged up. So we're going to just show you some of the pieces that come with it. You've got kind of just a holder, I guess, individually for this. You've got the corded plug that we talked about, because that's the critical piece, is I want to be able to plug this in when appropriate, but I also want to be able to use this as an emergency light when needed, if I can. It should be everything there, so we're just going to put that back temporarily. I think that's literally just going to be to use as a spotlight type thing, but we'll double check once we read the instruction manual. I like to go off the cuff and just try and figure this stuff out whenever possible, but this is going to be a pretty obvious one. That's going to be where I plug in my plug whenever I want to figure it out. Looks like this is going to be a switch to USB-C charge and or USB-A. We're going to have our battery right there. And I'm pretty sure these are just going to kind of come up. So let's see if we can figure out how to pop them. We are going to need to read the instruction manual, I think, because these are going to be a little bit, nope, we aren't. So that's going to be a release down here and then a pop on the bottom. Looks like this will be kind of the lock in place. Yeah, so we're going to undo that, pop this bottom. That's going to allow me to get all these legs spread out for the tripod. And I'm sure from there this is going to be able to rise if needed. But we'll go ahead and test that out. This will, I think, come up. Starting to come up a little bit. But let me just pause this and read the instructions. All right, so I was on the right path. This just separates a little bit from what I can tell. Just as you can see, it just comes down a little. And you can kind of manipulate these things as needed for additional height, stuff like that. But this comes down a little, and then these just pop right open. And this is the cool thing, is these are going to kind of be movable and adjustable as needed. For like a 360 design practically, so there's really not too much. I guess it's not full, well, maybe. We'll miss a little bit of it. No, we won't. We should be able to get a full 360 design here. So maybe we'll miss just a slight angle. So maybe like, I don't know, 320. But from here, these things pop, and let me pull that up. These pop to give me height, lock in place. I'm going to give you a full height description here. Now, I'm probably going to take this out to actually do that because it's above the camera area and everything like that. We have buttons over here that are going to allow me to turn the power on and adjust the levels on and off, and then adjusting the levels of light. I thought somewhere, could have sworn I saw it somewhere, it was yeah, it's a power indicator. So it's got a right now it's red and yellow, so we're going to get this up to a full charge. I'm going to use a plug, but before I do that, I want to test to see if we can charge it other ways. So to clarify, this is only going to be an out, it's not going to be an in, so we will need to charge up using this device, and this will actually help me power up phone, power banks, or whatever I need to use as additional sources when I'm in a blackout. So let's go ahead and get it charged up, and then we'll take it outside and show you how powerful it is. So I want to show the height of this first, and before I do that, I just want to show that's a handle. As mentioned, it clicks right in. You can actually leave it in all the time, even when you put it back in the bag, which is what I intend to do. But it allows you, when this is closed up, to kind of just grip it and carry it a lot easier. So I'll just show you the full height of this thing now. All right, so to give you some full perspective of this, I am 6'1", and this is going to go pretty darn high. So really good height on this, and then I'll just show you getting it light on my backyard later tonight. All right, so you can see that there's kind of no light, and now you see a ton of light. Just gonna kind of show you from behind how this works. Lights up my whole backyard. The fact that it's adjustable is amazing. So I can kind of take different angles at it, like so. I can bring it at me, which is super bright, obviously. But again, just kind of lighting up the backyard, different angles. If you just want to have it be kind of a general lamp, you can do that. Again, flattening it out, just to be kind of a general patio light would work. So a lot of cool features here. And again, it's easy to kind of lift up and move if you need to. So it's lightweight, stable, and does a tremendous job lighting up an area. So I'm just going to, again, turn it off just so you can see what a difference it makes. So turn it back on here. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.